In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And our today's topic is hot and cold. We have to enable the student to differentiate between hot and cold items and to enable them to read and to solve the exercise given in the book. So what we have to do, I will tell the student, if I'm going to teach, I'm going to tell the students that students, in summer, I love to eat ice cream. In summer, I like to eat ice cream. And when it's winter, I like to drink coffee. I like to drink coffee. Now, you can ask the student to name the things they like to eat or drink or to take in summer as in winter. Now, you can show both of these pictures or you can have the original objects. You can ask them, are they the same? Is there any difference between these two? How do you feel when you eat this one? And how do you feel when you have this one? Then you have to tell them that ice cream is cold. Ice cream is cold. And a cup of coffee or a cup of tea is hot. A cup of tea or a cup of coffee is hot. You have to encourage your student to give more examples of hot and cold things. Then you can draw a T chart like this on the board. Hot, cold. And you have to encourage them to come and to draw a picture and then write the name of hot and cold objects. For example, you can ask a student to come and to do this exercise. This is sun, hot, good. You can invite the other student to come and to draw and name some other thing here like this. Okay, juice. Yes, it is cold. With the help of the T chart, you can enable the student to differentiate between hot and cold objects and things. After these, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to draw or to paste few pictures on the board like this. I'm going to draw a cone, ice cream, then a cup of tea, then I can draw sun, I can try to draw a picture of fire, and with that, with these pictures, I can write down the name also. Sun, ice cream, tea, fire. And I'm going to invite the students to come and to encircle the hot objects, the hot things like this. After this, I can show them the flashcards and invite them to play a game. Student, I'm going to show you the pictures. If the object of the thing is hot, you have to clap 1. And if once, for one time. And if there is a picture showing some hot object, you have to clap twice. So let's begin the game. Let's start the game. Ice cream. Is it hot or cold? Cold. So you have to clap for the one time. Look at here. Tea or coffee. Hot. Now you have to clap for the 2 time. Good. Fire. It's hot. Now what you are supposed to do? Cold or hot? Good. You have to clap twice. Or you can ask them to have a piece of paper. You are going to show them the picture and they are going to write picture 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is hot. Second one, 2 is cold. After doing all these activities, you can arrange for some cold and hot material, and you can ask them to touch the material one by one in order to have the feeling of hot and cold. Or you can ask them to rub their hand like this. It's getting hotter, hotter, hotter. Ooh. Then you can invite them to open the book and read the book with you. Ali is taking tea. It is hot. Laiba is eating ice cream. It is cold. Then circle the hot objects in red and cold objects in blue. After this, you can assign them a homework that they can divide the page of their notebook into two halves. In one half, they can write and draw the pictures of the hot things, and the other half, they can draw and write the names of the cold things. Thank you very much.